MS Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences.
Assay of sodium benzoate by non-aqueous titration. Aim: to find out the amount of sample present in the given sample solution by performing non-aqueous acid-base titration. Experimental setup: chemicals required: perchloric acid, sodium benzoate, glacial acetic acid, potassium hydrogen phthalate, crystal violet. Apparatus required: conical flask, volumetric flask, beaker, burette, burette stand, 10 ml bulb pipette, analytical balance, butter paper and spatula. Principle: estimation of sodium benzoate is based on non-aqueous acid-base titration and the method involved is acidimetry. Sodium benzoate is weakly basic salt. It dissolves in acetic acid and forms benzoate ion. Acetic acid exerts a leveling effect on it and improves its basicity by enhancing its ionization. Acetic acid accepts a proton from perchloric acid to form acetonium ion. It gives its proton to benzoic acid and acetic acid while titrating it with perchloric acid. In this reaction, crystal violet is used as an indicator and the end point is recognized by a color change from violet to emerald green. Perchloric acid is standardized using potassium hydrogen phthalate. The indicator used is crystal violet. End point is violet to emerald green and the reaction occurs as following. Experimental procedure: weigh accurately about 0.5 gram of sodium benzoate into 50 ml clean and dry volumetric flask. Dissolve with little quantity of acetic acid, then make up the volume up to the mark with acetic acid. Mix well and pipette out 10 ml of this solution into clean dried conical flask. Add 1 drop of crystal violet indicator and titrate against standardized acetus perchloric acid until color changes from violet to emerald green. Repeat the titration until concordant readings are obtained. The data obtained are tabulated as per the following tables, and the data obtained after suitable calculation is reported as actual normality of acetus perchloric acid solution is amount of sodium benzoate present in the given sample solution is.
Hi students, today we are going to perform the assay of sodium benzoate. Aim of the experiment: to estimate the amount of sodium benzoate present in the given sample. Chemicals required for the experiments are perchloric acid solution as a secondary standard for the estimation of sodium benzoate, potassium hydrogen phthalate to standardize the perchloric acid solution, glacial acetic acid as a solvent for the preparation of potassium hydrogen phthalate, crystal violet solution which is used as an indicator, and sodium benzoate solution to which we are going to estimate the amount present. Components required for the experiments are butter paper, spatula, a 250 ml conical flask, a 50 ml standard flask, 10 ml measuring jar, a funnel, a burette stand, a burette and a weighing machine. Now let us start the experiment. As the experiment is having two parts, One is standardization of perchloric acid and another one is assay of sodium benzoate. Now let's start with the standardization of perchloric acid. For the standardization of perchloric acid, we are using the following chemicals: secondary standard perchloric acid solution, potassium hydrogen phthalate, glacial acetic acid and crystal violet indicator. First, fill the perchloric acid solution to the burette using a funnel. Fill till the mark and fix it to the stand. Now weigh 1 gram of potassium hydrogen phthalate using butter paper. After weighing 1 gram of potassium hydrogen phthalate, transfer it into the 50 ml standard flask. After transferring, add glacial acetic acid up to the mark. After filling up to the mark, transfer 10 ml of the solution using measuring cylinder to the conical flask. After measuring 10 ml, transfer it into the conical flask. After transferring 10 ml, add 1 drop of crystal violet indicator. Then titrate against the perchloric acid solution. Endpoint is the appearance of emerald green color. Measure the endpoint and repeat the experiment till you get the concordant value. This completes the experiment on standardization of perchloric acid. Now let's start the assay of sodium benzoate. The chemicals required for the experiments are perchloric acid solution, sodium benzoate, crystal violet solution. Fill the perchloric acid solution into the burette up to the mark using a funnel. Fill up to the mark. Now transfer 10 ml of sodium benzoate using measuring cylinder. Fill up to the mark and then transfer it into the conical flask. To this, add 1 drop of crystal violet indicator. Now titrate against perchloric acid solution. Endpoint is the appearance of emerald green color. Endpoint is the appearance of emerald green color. Note down the endpoint. Repeat the experiment till you get the concordant value. This completes the experiment on assay of sodium benzoate. Thank you.
At MSR UAS, we spark your imagination unlike any other.